Really interesting video about Domino's Pizza. Um, there are some interesting expressions in the video. Two sentences I'll talk about. They've gone from being a punchline about quality to being a darling of the stock market. So punchline and darling. They've gone from here to there. They've gone from being a punchline about quality. Punchline, like with a joke. People made jokes about Domino's low quality, Domino Pizza's low quality. They've gone from there to being a darling of the stock market. Means the stock market loves Domino's Pizza. So that's one. Another one, barring some disaster, share prices will soon cross $200. Barring some disaster. Barring some disaster means if some disaster does not happen, share prices will cross $200. Anyway, I hope you find this video interesting. You should watch it. And please let us know if you would like us to do more analyses of videos like these. It's fun for us, and I hope it's a little fun for you.